Hello students, welcome to class 7th maths on my YouTube channel. Now let us begin practice set 52 on textbook page number 94. Factorize the following expressions and write them in the product form. In this you have to do prime factor division. First one is 201. How to do prime factor division I will teach you again, which you already studied. So now look here, 201 a cube b square. This way how to do prime factor division method. Now number 201, unit place what you have? 1. Unit place is odd number. If the number in the unit place is in odd number, then it is not divisible by even numbers. Okay. So you have to check dividing by 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. All the odd numbers. So check now 3 table. Unit place 1 is not divisible by 2. It is not divisible by even numbers. So you have to start checking odd numbers. 201. Okay. Divide by 3. Say the 3 table. Last which is coming small, you have to write that. 3 6 are 18. Because 3 7 is 21. 21 is greater than 20. Now subtract this, 20 minus 18. Answer is getting 2. Now this one you have to bring it down. Okay. Now number 21 goes table of 3. 3 7s are 21. So I got quotient 67. So 201 is divisible by 3. So divisor which is going 3 right here, and quotient which you got here 67 you have to write here in this place. Always quotient place you have to write here. Divisor which is going here, table which is going, you have to write this side. Now number 67. 67 is the prime number. It is not divisible any number except 1. So if 67 is the prime number, 67 you have to write number as it is here, because it is not divisible any number except 1. Prime number means 67. 1s are 67. Okay. Look at the prime numbers here. From 1 to 100. Number 67 is there here. Prime numbers means only one table is going any number over here. All the given numbers here, only it is going one table. It is not divisible any numbers. So that is the meaning of prime numbers. So now this you have to write multiplication form in product form of number 201, and then you have to write variable multiplication form. That is equal to 3 multiplied by 67. Your prime factors which you got here, this multiplication form you have to write. This is 7. Okay. Multiply. Now write this multiplication form. Variable you have to write multiplication form. A cube. How many times A is repeating? 3 times. Index what is given? 3. So you have to write 3 times A. A into A into A. After finish writing A, B how much is given here? Index what is there? 2. B square. B you have to write 2 times. B into B. So this is the answer. Okay. Now second one is given 91 xy t square. Here it is. So start dividing the prime factors. Number which is given, only how to do of number only prime factor division. 91. Unit place what you have here? 1. If unit place odd number is there, so it is not divisible by even numbers. So check by 3 table, 5 table, 7 table, like this. First you check by 3. 91 divided by 3. 3 3s are 9. Now 1 you have to bring down. Remainder is the 1. You don't have any number here after 1 to bring down. So 3 table is not going. If any table is going, remainder should come 0. Okay. Now check 5 table. If 3 is not going, unit place what you have? 1. If the 5 table is going number, then it should be unit place 0 and 5. In this number there is no unit place 0 and 5. So this number is not divisible by 5. Then check 7 table. 7 ones are 7. 9 minus 7, 2. 1 you have to bring it down. 7 3s are 21. So you have to check like this. So I got your quotient 13, remainder 0. When you are dividing, always remainder should get 0 if the table is going, any table. Okay. So 7 and 13 you have to write here. Divisor you have to write this place and quotient you have to write this place. Okay. 13. Quotient is 13. Divisor is 7. If the any number is going table. 13 is the prime number. 13 is not divisible any number except 1. Look here, prime numbers which I wrote. Number 13 is here, prime numbers. Okay. So 13 write as it is. 13 ones are 13. If it is not going any table except 1, so same number you have to write here in divisor place. And 13 ones are 13 will go. Quotient 1 here will come. So write this number multiplication form. Prime factors which you got here. So 91 xyt square means 7 into 13. First you have to write number multiplication form which you got here, prime factor. 7 into 13 multiply, and then you have to write variable multiplication form. X into y into t square is given. Here index what is given? T square. T square means t into t. So this is the answer. Okay. Now next one is 24 a square b square. Number what is given here? 24. Okay. Unit place 4 is there of number 24. So it is divisible by 2. Start dividing over here. 2 ones are 2. 4 you have to bring it down. 2 twos are 4. Quotient is 12. Divisor is 2. So divisor 2 you have to write this place over here. Quotient what you got over here, you have to write this place down on this place. Okay. So again, now here number 12 is there. Unit place 2 you have. Again it is divisible by 2. 2 6 are 12. Quotient is getting 6 and divisor is 2. Number 6 again it is going 2 table. 2 3s are 6. 3 is the prime number. 3 ones are 3. So this number you have to write multiplication form. Prime factors number you got here of number 24. I write it down. 24 a square b square product form will be written as of prime factors, that is 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. After writing the numbers in product form of prime factors of number 24, now write of variable into a square is how much? A, 2a, 2 times a. A square means 2 times a outright because index is square. Again b square is given, other variable. So b outright 2 times if index is 2. So this is the answer. Now we will do last sum. T r square s square. Sorry, last one is given T r square s cube it is. Okay. Here it is not given any number. You have to write only variable in multiplication form. This is very simple. T r square s cube. T, what you have index here? Nothing. T one time you have to write. R square. Index is 2. R you have to write 2 times. R into R in multiplication form. S cube. Index is 3 of S. So S you have to write 3 times. S into S into S. This you have to write multiplication form. So this much is the answer. If you like this video, give us the feedback or comment. Subscribe the channel, like and share. Thank you.